Afternoon. All right, so we're back. We're here at the track. We are, I'll be real honest, we haven't vlogged all morning. We got to the track here at 8 o'clock. It was a nightmare. They're using transponders for the first time here. So we're out at BCMC, Battle Creek Motorcycle Club, trying to get a gate drop in before the Red Bud National. I haven't raced in 3.5 years. So anyway, needless to say, we spent like an hour and a half in line at sign up this morning. It was, all right, and we're back. Quick battery change. Anyway, so we spent like an hour and a half in line at sign up. Basically ran back to the truck, dumped the shit out as quick as we possibly could. I geared up, hopped on the bike, and off we went to do practice. According to my watch, my heart rate was super low the whole time I rode, so I obviously wasn't riding that fast. So anyway, but practice went okay because we did not crash and die. So, plus, whole fam's here, kiddo and everybody. We've been checking out the mini track. What?
I'm eating strawberries and these.
What do you think of the racing so far that you've seen?
Well,
For the little kids.
it seems like they're on a they're on a real track and they're fortunately a real race.
Do you think you can do it? Okay, great. That's next month. Are you ready for that?
We'll see.
Okay.
Not from a store.
So they're on
Girl,
race
not home.
6. We are race 12. It's noon. We might leave here by tonight. We may just race right into tomorrow. Who knows? We don't know. So anyway, I didn't get any GoPro footage because I was struggling to barely get on the track to ride to start with for practice. So sorry about that. Sorry about me dragging on here. I will get some race footage. Hopefully the rest of the vlog will go better. The rest of the day will be much more relaxed. And hey, by the way, it's race time. We're at the track. We got the hat. The hat's back. All right, well, it is almost time here. Moto 1, I believe race like 10 is on the track, or 9's on the track, 10's in the gate, and 11's in staging. So just got dressed, got the fresh Thor, helmet on, about to head up. Update, Moto 1 did not go terrible. Start was kind of, where would you say I was on the start? Was I last?
Pretty close.
I was pretty close to last on the start. Jumped and then like pulled the clutch. I like triple clutched over the gate. So not a surprise. I'm not a great starter ever. So anyway, and then but then I felt like we did pretty good. We worked our way up. Huh?
You weren't the last.
Wasn't last. And so anyway, so the first like couple laps went really well. The third lap, I started to get tired and tense up. Not get tired. I started to tense up. Like, I'm not tired. I just got tense. And then by the 4th lap, I was so tense. My arms are pumped up. They're still pretty hard. So anyway, so it didn't go too terrible though. What did we get? 14th? 14th out of 24. So I'm not gonna call that terrible. That's okay. All right, here we go. Second moto time. It's definitely gotten hot. Definitely, we're losing our shade here under the easy up. So it's time to get dressed. Hope we don't die. On the up hand, I am peeing what, every 5 minutes? So I'm very properly hydrated. Very properly hydrated. We're shooting for 12. That's what we're shooting for, 12.
I want to see a better start.
Right, keep wishing. great first day. We're in the truck, leaving. Makes it a great first day. So, Moto 2 is definitely a lot rougher. I don't think the GoPro footage was that good because the GoPro looks like it got completely annihilated again. Okay, so after a long day and some pizza and some ice cream and a 14-14 finish for 14th overall out of 23. Not great. Not the worst I've ever done, but not great. Bikes are tucked away. We'll wash them tomorrow. Daddy is tired. And yeah, this has been another vlog, our first race vlog of 2021. So thanks for tuning in. I'm sorry I'm not better at B-roll. I will work on that for the next one. I know I need to get better with that. And yeah, we'll see you all in the next video. Bye, Ma. Huh? Say goodbye, Ma.